NIGUO GUKUNGUIRA muthenya wa gatatu ka MUHU, Etikia kanitha wa Gatoreki nimokire hamwe makanithaini ma Gatoreki niguo gukungwira muthi uyu uri unyitanite na muthenya wa wendo. Ihinda-ini ria kwihinga kwa Etikia ya ukoragwo ihinda ria winyihia, kuhoya na guteithania kwa andu. Etikia kuma kanitha wa Gatoreki wa Cathedral Mombatha magikungwira muthenya uyu ni mahoire thayu wa bururi, gukuna wangi makiuria president kwarira mitaratara ya kunyihia gharama ya muturire.
Huu ni wakati mzuri sana wa taifa letu kuingia katika hali ya maombi, sababu nchi tumekumbwa na changamoto mingi, mambo ya kiuchumi.
Tunaomba rais wetu Mwenyezi Mungu aweze kumgusa, acha hasa hichi kipindi cha Kwaresma cha siku 40, Mwenyezi Mungu aweze kumgusa moyo wake ili aweze kuangalia wale wanyonge.
It was really important to be able to come here at the beginning of Lent to help us all remember that Jesus is the reason for our life.
Kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Etikia kuma kanitha wa Gatoreki wa St. Anna Joachim Duberi, igongona riri ritongoririo ni Fatiri Paul Maishuhie Ndungu na uria uriria Kenya manyitanire aria matehotete undu umwe na kuhoyanira.
We are calling upon our Christians all over the world and all over the country that we hearken to the voice of the Lord that is inviting us today to return to him.
Igongona-ini riri rigwikinyitio ni magana ma arumiriria dini ino, Fatiri Paul Maishuhie ni uriria Kenya magie ngoro ya kuriranira na umundu kugaya kiria na kio ihinda-ini riri bururi ugumeirwo ni moritu.
It's a call for us to have 40 days of repentance, to come closer to God and to exercise the acts of mercy by visiting those who are in need.
Ihinda-ini o riu Maishuhie ni oririe ateti manyite itemi riao ria kunyitithania muingi handu-ini ha gutheremia uteti wa kugayukania Kenya.
Our leaders from both sides, those who are in the government and those who are in the opposition, to work together for the unity of our country.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Embu, igongona-ini riria rigutongoragio ni Fatiri Albert Aseli ni ahinyiriirie Etikia makoro magithingatira maundu matatu: kwihinga, gucunga muhira kuri Ngai na guteithania na andu aria marabatara uteithio.
To tear apart their hearts but not their garments, to fast, to pray and to do almsgiving, to be presented before God so that God can forgive them.
Ashes applied on our face reflects renewal and God's forgiveness in our lives. And today, as we start the 40 days of fasting.
Geri Fotera, Kameme TV, Jitagwo Nyambura wa Kiruba.